You know when you're at home and you're hungry, so you open up the fridge, but you really don't know what you're craving for, so you just stand there and look at your fridge for the next few seconds, hoping that there's something will happen. You do it again, hoping that something different will reappear. You just keep on looking. Third time, you peek to see if there's anything happen, like little people putting food there while you're not looking. And lastly, you just go there with a frantic look and you just grab the first thing that looks appetizing to you.
Ah.